Yes, I am at the car wash because it's still snowing and I don't want all of this snow to get froze and stuck and be piled up and when I get up in the morning be trying to get all this crap off my car. So you already see it's that much right there. So I'm going through the car wash so I can get clean. Thank you, sir. All that ice on my thing. And then it won't be too bad when I gotta get up in the morning and go to work. Thank you, sir, for getting all the ice from down there. I appreciate it. Oh, they wiping it off the back, too. Getting all that ice off my car. Thank ya. Appreciate ya. The things are froze. That's funny. Them things is froze solid. Oh shoot, that's gonna scratch up and scratch my car up. And I had to come get all most of that ice and snow off. Power. Power, Lord. Power, Lord. Okie dokie. Now I got most of the snow off my car. Boom.